By training, I'm a general surgeon. I was able to join Dr. Kittler and Dr. Daters about just over a year ago. So here we have 3 general surgeons. And one of the reasons I love general surgery and I love doing general surgery here is the variety day to day. So I'm responsible for seeing patients in the clinic as an outpatient and setting up surgical procedures, endoscopies or surgeries, wound care as well. Then I'll also be responsible for seeing consults in the hospital for patients who are admitted or coming through the emergency room and covering them for any emergency surgery or inpatient needs. So being in a rural community to me is very special. I grew up in a very rural community outside of a little hamlet of about 200 people. So even Goderich is a big town for me, believe it or not. So there's always been some magic to rural for me, that the community really takes care of each other. And that's something you don't understand unless you live rural and you've been rural, in my opinion. Having lived in the big cities and done healthcare in the big cities, it's the sense of community, truly, that people want to take care of each other, whether it's from a healthcare provider to a patient, patient to patient, community member to community member. You know, we rally around each other and we really have each other's backs, and that's something very special and something I think is getting lost and definitely is still here in Goderich. We are very big into outdoors. So we love all the hiking and exploring all of the nature and beaches and trails and everything outdoors that both Huron County and the surrounding areas have to offer. We love sliding down to the beach in the summer. We have a little one and 2 doggos, so it's a lot of hours are spent down there enjoying the water in the summer. And we really enjoy also using the Maitland recreational facility with the YMCA, signing up for swim lessons and different activities through there, especially in the winter, to keep active. And then one wonderful thing about Goderich too is all of the community events. In the summer with the farmers market every weekend uptown and the different weekend festivals where you can usually find us up there bopping around and enjoying some time with family and friends up there as well. The supports that we have here in Goderich are actually pretty developed and pretty bountiful for a rural community. Here, the biggest support, the biggest strength is really the physicians that work with each other very, very well. The family healthcare team, from physicians to nurse practitioners to dietitians at the Maitland Valley Family Health Center, really do provide a great resource and foundation for healthcare here in the community that myself and my other partners, the 3 general surgeons here, are able to then provide the surgical specialties, or as much as we are able to here in the community. Other resources here on hospice has also been a very big advantage and resource for our community here. Other resources, wound care, St. Elizabeth's across the street as a surgeon, we utilize them a lot, and they're very much appreciated and invaluable to help with all the outpatient wounds that we're able to help with and provide care for the community. Rides to and from London or other tertiary centers that we need to send patients to as well. We help arrange all of that. Other resources include outpatient nutrition and outpatient personal support workers, home care and nursing that really focus on giving quality of whole patient-centered care to the patient.